enabling offline-first supply chain operations for a retail and manufacturing leader. Welcome back to How Enterprises Modernized Operations, a success story series by Propel Apps. Tappoo Group is one of Fiji's leading retail and manufacturing enterprises, operating across multiple business lines with over 1,800 employees and annual revenues of more than $720 million. Managing complex supply chain operations across diverse business units came with significant challenges: poor connectivity, large data volumes, user experience issues, and the need for flexible customization. Propel Apps implemented an offline-first mobile supply chain solution, designed through UX-led workshops tailored specifically to Tappoo Group's operational needs. The results were immediate: higher inventory accuracy, faster and more reliable shipments, fewer returns, and instant user adoption without the need for lengthy training. With simplified execution and offline reliability, Tappoo Group is now well-positioned for seamless expansion. As Tappoo Group's IT leadership shared, the solution became a true game-changer for their supply chain operations. To learn more about client-focused solutions that address real supply chain challenges, visit Propel Apps.